gonna get my truck rolling today. That is the goal. It's been too long, 2 weeks, been on jack stands. Also, you may notice this Tacoma, it's actually my dad's truck. He's got my old rooftop tent on it, and that rack me and Chris built. He's also got my old roto packs on the side. Right now, today's focus is on this beast, putting some spindles back on, which we got back today. Shout out to Taylor with Diamond State Off-Road for pulling these off at a junkyard. Go check his video out, it's pretty funny. Now it's time to put these back on. Just got them back from the mechanic, so yeah, let's do it. First creek crossing.
Quickly, my truck's filling up.
Hi, I'm stuck.
Woohoo! Finally! Slow!
Why did I stop?
I'm getting stressed.
Hold on, watch that rock right there. Way to go, two-wheel drive. You killed it.
Finally, we have spindles. Ow. So we have the 4 bolts down there in. Now we gotta get this into this. Might be able to work with that. Let's see here. You're gonna notice I'm using regular Craftsman sockets, I believe they are. Don't judge, that's all I have. This isn't scary at all. Alright, we got one spindle on. Now we just need to put the rotor on and the brake caliper. Forgot to mention I run spacers, so gotta put those on. Alright, we got both spindles on. Looking good, looking good. So now, I've already torqued the spacers. So now we just gotta put the wheels and tires back on. Water never tasted so good. Those are tight. Those are tight. Those are tight. Alright, now we're going to take it for a little spin. Get everything settled a little bit. And hopefully all's well. I will have to get it aligned, I know that for a fact. Truck won't start, but lucky for me, flip this switch, turns on a relay to join my 2 batteries. Will the second battery start the truck? Just like that. The switch saved the day. Guys, that's going to end it for this video. Huge shout out to Taylor with Diamond State Off-Road, and also my neighbor and mechanic, Mr. Schultz. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. If you have any questions about what I did or concerns, let me know in the comments, and I do respond. So See you guys in the next one.